This is so interesting. Look at this 10 of swords. I thought this is 10 of swords. I think this is an extra one. I don't know. Hello, Aquarius. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonians. This is a monthly reading for May 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that comes through, alright? Apologies for not being able to do the April monthly reading, but we will be taking that into consideration. This one in particular will be for 6 weeks, especially if you're seeing this in April itself, alright? So, spirit guides, what spirit animal is coming in, alright? As the first oracle, we have Fox coming through with clever. You are swift and smart. Solutions to problems are easily found. Always listen to your instincts. Resources surround you. Be open to romance. So, yes, with the fox coming in and clever coming through, this is in a way talking about discernment and not just acting upon impulses, thinking like higher thinking, aiming higher kind of a energy, being smart about certain things, and there will be many opportunities which will be coming in. And this is just saying like be prepared now as the wheel of fortune turns for you. You start working on one aspect, progressing, certain kind of stagnation, overcoming that, any kind of stress which has been overwhelming you, subduing it by removing your attention from that and utilizing that excessive extra energy onto something more productive, or pursuing your passion and inculcating, attracting passion of every kind, even romantic, deep passion like physical, emotional passion coming through for you in that way. Like, you start in a different aspect of life, and that just has this effect, butterfly effect of attracting romance into your life as well. We have the dragonfly coming in with magic. This affirmation that you may like to utilize: I embrace my transformation. I courageously let go of the past. The magic of nature is in me. I am brilliant and I am blessed. A lot of this self assurance, smartness, which is coming in, and dragonflies, for some reason, I just stopped at dragon. So, could be like you could be born in the year of dragon also, but this one over here is like you're free to go in any direction. Transmutation which is occurring, a lot of very deep, at times difficult experiences that you have learned from, and now it is asking you to utilize the past in that way, but not getting limited by it, knowing that your opportunities are abundantly flowing into your life, opening your life, opening your heart, all of that energy, welcoming life energy coming through. Beautiful. We have cat also coming in with independent. You are a natural healer. Your intuition is strong. You don't have to go with the crowd. Life supports you in every way. So there is a lot of universal support which is coming through slowly and steadily. Energy which is coming in. Things may have been slowing down, but I feel like it's all lining up very well for you. Like, what I just suddenly heard was like, is that all it took to start for the rest to come through? That kind of a thing is coming in. One blockage that we overcome, anything that has been surmounting, which is very temporary, but is causing certain kind of stress or lack of action, indecision, confusion, centralizing ourselves, taking the experiences of the past, utilizing that intelligence, that wisdom, and making a decision. And twice we've got use your instincts are strong. Use your intuition. Your higher self is really guiding you towards the next step, and it could be a big leap of faith that you're taking towards your own career. Maybe that is also kind of coming through. Queen of Swords energy coming in very strongly, and Queen of Swords is like you guys, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini, using tact, being agile, multitasking energy also coming through, practicing a little bit of discernment until your plan is not solid proof. You may have good ideas, but don't talk about them before you don't have a plan, kind of a thing. Let the product be ready and then showcase it to the world. I don't want anyone to be unnecessarily stealing your creation, your idea. That energy is coming through. All right, let's keep this here and let's move forward. Let's just hope there's enough space. All right. I for some reason felt like I I feel like someone is being asked to take a step back, especially if a situation is very confusing. Take a step back. You may be looking at it very, very closely, and you need to have that eagle's perspective at the moment, higher perspective at the moment is also coming through. And if you don't feel that you're ready for it at the moment, then just take a step back, take a break. Sometimes not knowing is also a reality, but don't get stressed because of the uncertainty is also coming through. All right. Okay. Romance angels, what do we have for Aquarians? These are way too many cards. We've had quite a few lessons in love also. Good or bad, it has led you to this moment of understanding what you want from love, what you don't want from a relationship, perhaps. Alright, so the first card coming through is romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring coming through. Yes, again, with that energy of where was this? Be open to romance coming in. Just because things haven't worked out in the past, I don't know why am I stuttering so much. Just because things haven't progressed in a certain way in the past, occurred in a particular way, like a repeated pattern, don't close off to love is also coming through, especially if there's someone new in your life. Wow, okay. We have it is safe for you to love. Open your heart and give and receive the highest energy of all. Let go of fear, the low vibrational energy which is also in our heart center. And what is above that, in the upper half, in the higher levels of the heart center, is love, compassion, unconditional love, which is where we need to shine our light. Okay. There's a major heart chakra awakening which is happening, healing which is happening. Wow, we have true love also coming through. This is the romance of a lifetime. The way it came out, this may have been a romance connection which is unfolding, unraveling very, very slowly. Someone who is coming into an understanding of what love really means. Maybe for the first time they're experiencing such tense energies or such intense feelings is also what is coming through. But I love the fact the way the guy is at the back and the woman, the lady, is like leaning onto him. There are very strong feelings which are opening up, and there may be a little bit of hesitation which is coming in over here also. Nervousness, or I've been through it all a lot, and this person again is taking way too much time to unravel what their intentions are and all of that. And I just feel like to be safe, I just need to back off a little, see what they have to offer, that kind of a thing. Let them come to a conclusion on their own. If they have options, I too have options. But all of that is creating a little bit of a barricade. That is what is coming through. And if that's what you want to do, do that. Because it's good to also pause and receive. But just because certain things have happened in the past, don't just compare the two situations. They may be like similar, but with two different people. And it's very natural to compare, but just be aware, is that creating a rigidity for you to experience new things in life, that everything is fine is coming in over here. Is this the 10 of What is this? This is so interesting. Look at this, 10 of swords. I thought this is 10 of swords. I think this is an extra one. I don't know, I'll have to check. Twice coming in, major changes happening. You have transformed and you're helping someone overcome their own obstacles, is the energy which is coming through. Everything will be fine. Don't worry. 3D energies, is there anything? Thank you so much. We'll just take this then. We have 8 of Pentacles coming through. Keep working. Keep doing your thing. Believe in your endeavors, in what you're pursuing, your passions. Work on that. Coming in over here. We have the Empress coming in reverse, which is talking about believing in your worth. And it may be time to just pause and see where this person is, because we don't want to overwhelm anyone, is also coming through. But realize your worth, value yourself highly, is also kind of coming through. Don't be scared to acknowledge, at least acknowledge what you're undergoing. It is safe for you to explore. You don't have to say it to the other person, but you can open up to your own self. Stand your ground is also kind of coming through. And we have the Page of Pentacles coming in. With so many pentacles and everything coming through, both wanting to work on their finances is also coming through. Page of Pentacles coming in is an apprentice of life, starting on a new journey, new endeavors, student of life. Life is a teacher. But they are inspired to explore what is happening over here. They may be thinking, can I ground this with my Aquarius? They may be starting a new venture in their own life, is also kind of coming through. But all I'll say is, like, have fun along the way and don't try to control too many aspects. Okay, we have Archangel Metatron coming in with 6th chakra, third eye awakening, which is due. Listen to your intuition and not your ego self, which may be clogging your mind with fear-based thoughts. Believe in yourself. See things more clearly. It's also kind of coming through. What else can you tell us? Thank you. We have Page of Swords coming in. That's on the second page. And we have Queen of Swords also coming in over here. So if you see, if you see the court cards, there's a lot of maturity and grandeur which comes along with the Queen of Swords. And the Page of Swords is there, who is very inquisitive, maybe a little confused, but is searching for answers. This person could discreetly be keeping tabs on you however they can, is also the energy which is coming through over here. Sovereign energy which is coming in over here. They are really drawn to your intellect, that you have a lot of empathy. The way you articulate is very inspiring. You stir their mind, and that's where they got hooked, is also kind of coming through. She can be very gentle, but she has the sword ready, like, you aren't going to play with me. So figure it out, whatever you want. I did a few things extra also, perhaps. I just wanted to see where are you. And I may have just wanted to see how you react when you are uncomfortable or overwhelmed. And that's what I wanted to see, because I don't want to play any more games, I don't want to play games anymore. So if you're in it, then be in it fully, or don't at all. And they can feel the intensity, and all of this is churning. It may be transformative, maybe they are awakening, and with that awakening happening, they are understanding the depth of this connection, and they want to learn more. They may be, with the Page of Swords, they may be looking at your social media, checking your posts and everything, maybe not liking and hearting and everything, but the keeping close tabs is what is coming through over here. They see you as very successful, very, very independent, which came in over here also. I'm sorry, I'm sweating a lot. I forgot how hot it becomes to record with the lights and everything. Okay. There could be an age difference also with the two pages coming in and Queen and the Empress over here. Or the way you express yourself, handle things, maybe a little more mature, and they're learning from that also. Initially, maybe this person got a little intimidated, fascinated, and intimidated. They may be calculating what to say because they don't want to say anything wrong to you. So it may be making them a little uptight and the communication a little stringent that way. This person may feel that you have more options, the many suitors, and they're trying to figure out how do I level up and take this attention, how do I win. My person, you could also be giving them a little bit of mixed signals, which is why they're like just holding on, trying to learn more, know you more. That is also coming through. All right, let's look into the love chits, see what they have to say. Okay. Before I open these up, one is already open. Before I open these up, apologies if I have been like a little faded. I don't know how have I been doing the reading, but I know that I am like phasing in and out a lot, and it's not so fluidly coming in so much as I would like. I don't know, but I've had a very creative day. Like, I made so many resin arts. I've been intending to start the readings after all the Etsy orders got over and they got posted also. But anyways, let's see what's happening over here. You could meet someone through a creative endeavor that you start pursuing is also kind of coming through, but know that you are on a journey of finding true love, and that is what you deserve. You deserve love, and understand that you may have been giving a lot, and it's all right because you have a beautiful heart, and maybe you are an empath too, that you can, like, through telepathy understand what the other person wants to say. But sometimes we just gotta think about ourselves also. And for some people, maybe the lessons may have been different, but like, where to draw the line kind of energy, where do I start protecting myself also? Like, I will be there for the other person, but at what cost, to what extent? That, all right. So the first one, your smile makes me melt. So cute. They are enamored by you. They really, really like your company. And there's this innocence in you and this beautiful spark in you. And the way you eventually get the command over any kind of transformation, change that may be happening, it baffles them. And it's like really, really amuses them. That is what is coming in. I fear rejection. That is why they are being a little slow. They want to know, like, they want to approach you when this is coming in for so many people, like so many signs. I swear it's that collective energy with the way things are. People just want to be a little more sure, especially if there is this new emotional depth which is coming in, revelation which is coming through, deepening of their own emotions, this love which is budding in, because we're starting to value happiness, joy, security also. Anyways, but yes, this is a factor. They don't want to get rejected by you, or like they're not at a point right now where they're so ripened that they just want to confess and run to you and just propose. Right now they're still in their minds, like, I really want them to say yes, Aquarius to say yes, but what if it's a no? How will I take it? I don't think I can listen to hear a no right now. That is what is coming in. So I just want to be sure. Let's see, let's try and see how invested is the Aquarius. The other one is you're the Yang, the game starter. You're my Yang, the game starter. That's interesting. The Yang energy, divine masculine energy coming in, life force energy coming through. You take actions based on such sound judgment is also kind of coming through. They do like the fact that you can be a little bossy. They like that bossy side of yours, but sometimes we just need to know that thin line. That is the recognition which is coming in over here. They won't have problems you leading. Like you both will be progressing forward, taking the relationships, taking decisions for the relationships together is also kind of coming through. I only grew founder of I only grew fonder of you with time. Irrespective of how it may have seemed, even in my jokes, there was a lot of fondness. I may, like, there's this energy of shyness which is coming through. You may be expressive, quite expressive, and this person may be a little shy. Like, emotionally, you have a better command in expressing yourself emotionally, and this person may have a hitch. They're learning, they're getting inspired. You paved the way for them quite a bit, is also coming through. I want to keep loving you, whether they have said it or not. They really, really love you a lot. They really cherish you. They really value you and they see a future with you. But right now, they may be healing their heart, or in any way, whatever kind of progress that they're making, growth that they're making, is towards feeling more loved, feeling more secure, trusting you, you trusting them, that kind of a security, emotional bond which is deepening, which will allow them also to feel safe to express themselves completely, and to open themselves, and you too, to love, to experience love. That is also coming through. This is going to progress. I don't know what kind of space it will progress in. My English is just completely off. And right now, before the reading, I just had a very long chat with a friend, and I was talking very, very fluently. And now that I've come to the reading, it's like I'm staggering, like calculating a little. They adore you a lot. They are very much in love with you, and this is a very beautiful connection that is already there in your life. And with passing of time, the more you get to know each other, even if you are in a relationship, the more the years that are added, there's a different kind of level of connectivity, understanding, which will be established. And that there's so many things which are coming in, and I'm not amused, because there's also this thing, like, oh, we had a fight, or there's so many things we tend to get a little triggered. But this kind of triggering will only be there to help you grow and remind you what you need to heal as well, or what you need to outgrow, unlearn to learn that, while they are also on the same process. Let go of the past. Know that you are blessed. This connection is blessed. True love coming in. Love of a lifetime coming through. Romance of a lifetime which is being experienced. Initially, they didn't think that this will be so profound. Yes, they found you very attractive, like intellectually also very, very magnetic. But with time, they got to see the softer side of you also, the humanitarian in you. And with each passing time, different scenarios, they grew fonder and fonder of you. And there's this, I don't know, you became more and more part of the daily schedule, is also the energy which is coming through over here. I'll say one thing, if this is still like new, or this is not a community. This is not a committed relationship just yet. I'll say, like, if you like something that they do, any effort that they do, then recognize it. What is the word? Validate it in a certain way by just simply saying that you appreciate it, or any kind of gesture, all of that, because these positive validations, confirmations will inspire this person to keep doing more, because they'll feel really good that they're making you feel happy, that they could add value to your life. Right now they feel with the pages over here, yes, the connection is very strong, like I may be madly in love with this person over here, but what can I add? What do I bring? How can I add more value to my Aquarian's life? That is also coming through. He, she, or they, the Aquarius, is so established. But that determination is coming in with the Yang. Yes, divine counterpart energy is coming through. Sometimes you could be Yang when they are Yin, and they could be Yang when you are Yin. So that change of power, in a way, is very much required. The manipulation, the deception, which needs to go away, because both have very strong feelings. Past may be influencing a little bit of hitch which is coming in over here. You may be too focused on your finances at the moment, whatever it is. I'm not saying what is good or bad, because who am I to say what is wrong and what is right? Depends on who's talking about it. Anyways, and over here there's this thing of new ventures, yes, but they want to start something new with you, and they're inspired by it, but they're more in their head trying to find a way, that sign, a cue from you, all of that which is happening over here. Alright, before we end this reading, and I ended up making this also a pretty long reading, but anyways, let's see what the fortune cookie cards have for you. Alright. Love is not leaving you. We have love life. Affairs of the heart could cause future problems, but take heart, as difficult situation will be resolved by a good decision this week which is coming through. I also feel like, again, the fox energy which is coming in over here, instead of reacting in panic or impulsively, take a deep breath, calm yourself down, and then respond and not react. The way you handle any kind of, I'll say one thing. See, in any relationship, fights are very natural. I'm not saying like toxic fights, like fights happening every day and all of that, like for years and years. That is not. But disagreements are very much required, because no two people are the same. Like somewhere down the line there will be certain kind of deviance which will occur. So deviance in thoughts is what I'm saying. But the way you calmly handle certain things will really help this bond, help strengthen this bond is coming in. And even if you have any kind of conflicts which occur, disagreements or arguments that occur, I feel like you both will be willing to find a common ground, even if it's to disagree. Agree to disagree. My God, I'm so lost in my words. Reflection is something which is coming through. One more card that you'd like to give us. Resolutions will be coming in. Creative resolutions could also be coming through. Alright, we have personal riches coming in. Small successes are likely now and bigger ones are on the way. Finances could improve dramatically, but avoid get rich schemes. Patience is what is coming through over here. So be aware of scams, I'll say. But apart from that, yeah, things are building up. Like, since the moment we've started this reading, everything is fine also came in, like, the 10 of swords. Anyways, there is this like one thing and the butterfly effect which is happening, ripples that you're creating. Become just aware of that. Whatever your circumstances may be, relationship status may be, professionally, wherever you may be, create that one positive ripple and keep creating one step, one day at a time. Let's bring our focus in the present a little. Reflect, acknowledge, and excel. Express also. Express to go towards your success came through. So there is a very nice balance which is coming in there. So rich is also financially, things are looking really good. And love life also wise, there's nothing to worry, quite honestly. This may be a phase of really before the relationship goes to a higher level. I'm just about to close. Before the relationship goes to a higher level, there's a little bit of testing which is happening, or certain kind of rigidity that a little bit of friction that is being created because we're getting to know each other more. How do we flow together in partnership is also the energy which is coming through. Getting to know each other more and more, and that will just smoothen the road ahead, is the energy which is coming through over here. You are constantly on their mind, is also coming through. For some people, since a week came through, maybe a decision will be made. If this is a no contact situation at the moment, they are thinking about approaching you, contacting you, is also the energy which is coming in. You could hear from them within a week, is also kind of coming through. That is what is coming in. Certain kind of next level could be happening in certain kind of positive advancement which is happening in a week's time. Whenever you see this, is the energy coming through. All right, so do let me know your thoughts. Pretty interesting energy coming through. Love is everywhere. Explore. Feel free to explore your romantic feelings. Know that it is safe for you to love. Something very rewarding is coming your way, and wealth of every kind is flowing into your life. You are blessed. You are brilliant. You are brave. Remember that. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, and ascension to you all. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with the loved ones, and hit the like if you enjoyed this reading. Alright, so Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely moon.